Ebusanfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Mesere like, comment, subscribe, turning on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusanfo Endra, a Minister of Finance Akufo Addo, Eco Parliament, Eco presenti budget statement for the year 2026. Now your budget statement actually say plans are on mine and I say abino ewo ma on mine ni ya yetimu bia nyina ya yetimu nyina for afia ebeba no next year. Asa be twa abapa o. Ebusanfo ya be ka twi say a na wa pe me mumu na ba description ho na makofa na ma send mumu kakra say oh abrantie why are there wa free voter radio to make catch you say enya easy o enya easy nti ya Ebusanfo mu me fine why na ato force neko ka say eko submit sa financial statement and I say budget no raise a lot of eyebrows adentia Ebusanfo ato force nti mi hwe ye nyina ye ni meka kire say wow ye next year abandon into me foul. Ebusanfo for the first time in 9 years, okay, there is not going to be any recruitment of any batches of nurses. Now, me cry there, me tea, now I wasn't surprised. I said, I feel we cry no 2025 way. There was no recruitment. And so much said I na sa recruitment Akufo Addo ni Dr. Baumia muye last year. 2020 batch of nurses no and amudi ye dede sa na muka say crofo bi o sa shenanigans no and amudi ye enti na crofo bebre na omuni amba so say this year 2025 no yamfa any batches of nurses na ekasa no there are about 4 years batches of nurses still in the house 2021 2022 2023 2024 the 4 years batches now. The moment finance minister anka GhanaNsem say aban ni sa plans no it means say over 100,000 nurses and midwives are going to stay in the house and are going to be unemployed from next year. Now aban we no Ghana for ye ka say elections what implications these are all the things we are saying no. Akufo Addo buy no now backlog of 58,000 people were there. 58,000. I have 4 batches. And no quarantine. And yet make us a backlog or and yes sir. Anka all the recruitment Akufo Addo aye. Over the past 8 years, we shouldn't have had any backlog of nurses. But now Akufo Addo had to clear the 58,000 people that were the leftover, the spillovers from John Mahama. Now John Mahama ya no oko quota system no free ho. On one quota system no. And TNS and nurses for a door so system ni ma binding to me employer John Mahama nani fault. Et we planning in no for see nurses for him. No recruitment. E come ne bedimo next year. Now nurses for me catch them say you people allow yourselves to be used by politicians too much. Last year, political year, we saw our nurses again in their uniforms, saying all manner of things. I believe, say, these were not professional and ethical. But that has become the norm, allowing politicians to sweep them, sway them all around. And 4 batches, no plan for you. Nkofwa Akufo Addo afọ mukrano, NDC abayaba onti amuka. Enti kwen no enwa na ekoso. Let's go and listen to what our friends in the media have to say about the blatant neglect of nurses, midwives, and all the allied health professionals and even medical doctors.
Yes, there's a best we see 2027 no. And again, Akufo Addo what provided a lot of infrastructure. For instance, various senior high schools. Expansion. I'm a say some projects no cost no. Abuama double track no cry schools bebre ejai. Bebre ejai omunye double track beam. And you know, so oba na be can say oba in 7 months no and round him. Asama be king can baby. Obi say afa ni course wo e work no. Eye free SHS for Akufo Addo form buru sunti. Catching you. What's the suit?
Abotai, artist studio. I don't cut my culture as I say, and young we have so many educated fools in Ghana.
There be a seeding ketia.
Because we're a critical example of an educated fool. That guy.
No, a seeding ketia, a can't see me. I know quoting is simple. Or see school paper Jimmy.
Ampa. School paper Jimmy Ampa.
School paper Jimmy.
Because I accept some like one kind. I know people say senti. Sankafria says Sama. And Kagana phone call in our school now be a Yajuma. I was in the setters in Aswan Kwana Begunama.
Unim.
Stampede Akusi.
A man in your one say, ye Kappa. Ankadia, a course you make us here. Any man penny Mahama. It be try allowances for nursing trainee, any teacher trainees, no emu. Sabe near the quota system in the year, Juma.
Yeah.
Tia buying him say next year, make me a fat nurse 4,000. Near for more school. Or move into Tiano, no more Juma.
No.
And to Rama Hama, the Bay quota system nifio. And of far thousands of students. And and I make her say, I think from 2021 or say 2022, you know, ego. Our intimate form, I'm 2022.
Yeah.
And you know, Gufia. Intimate form of June, and the reason is simple. Say Akufo Addo buy no, or beto a backlog of about 59,000 nurses. Fee. I say, or you know, no form when you know, and I'm penny Mahamanum na eje omu. To man penny Akufo Addo, on be fast our backlog of 59,000 no, and you know, and son and Edia, or betu ni omu from 2017 no, or sha say so yeden, or for more bedu, I think 2022. And then they were fear bemu Eddie Equine. Agenda 1 no a ubewie na atimi create space near the founders for no and also wonye what's the one yet na nurse for no every school and omutifie me am nu aka ho omutifie look okonya a private a bi omso unims comes on betua no 800 cedis 700 cedis and okra na me shoe ya akoye
so ti ubetena fie kwa wonya bi ka ma say ebie wadwini
in fact nyesika utibewu because nurse na adwuma de
nti be bie wadwini na
na oye and okra bi abe boso miensa kwa ni ntua ne ka enso me so say ni ti obetena fi na ni ti awudie on de onye ne sa na onfanye ni e mo krakra nti ana esifo nyina agufie
agenda 111 na ke be solve sa nurses no one problem ni nyina because you see hospitals 111 na ba ku bi akra fa nurses 10 say ye koyanim na we nyina present waba wo diska kakra bi beso amaya ya wie no wo si wo ja na wo ye tempe enti dia kan de nka na was akosi regional hospitals foforo
sign up at the Ghana food sika ya spend dey see 111 was 14 hospitals nyina no o je guama na kan wirem
mi wa
was afesika foforo
asa dey akostati foforo
e dey akostati foforo
mi wa so what opposition ka so ba obeje bibia ba de sa kan wonwie ye bia
na ba obewi enkrofo kan say oba onye any allowances no osuo dabi omoboa me ba meto aso me wie ni nyina na me de afa mo adwumam enkrofo kan ayi ni ho asem national allowance so me ba me fa me sanka afede na oba ya was 10 pen na obey na ni aka no why den e be kan wirem ana e ma ne nyonwa mampani ko for start affordable housing omo ba ye no omo gu affordable housing ni hu fi saa e na omo jagu ho e na omo so omo ko sisaglemi ene ye no $200 million
Collins Ada ne no crop omo is kana ye no de omo de be ye
e ko car saglemi nim e de man nipa bi de waso omo sirem ti da sebre aban wetumi adinadi
me de entina me ka se budget ndi omo ka ya ede eye wasum de but o ka tire maso pa de enye wo de omo ka ni de a kire enye be ye we nanso se be ye ayi yes is easier said than done so kan de emre wo do ano do nwira ebi nwo ena se President Mahama Ghana fo nim no dia ene ko kan bibi anka Ghana fo be fa ni serious kakra ba me the President John Dramani Mahama I know me o kan sem bia me nyini china because from 2012 ebesi 2016 sa na oda Ghana fo sa afi bi oye budget enso budget no mfanya adwuma o kan sem ye we on fanya adwuma ono ne system na ye se yem kwaje power no yenyaje power no wi a na fi ye di power no aye de pese ye de ye enti kwan be fa so ensa be kan power eno ne hia no enti be kan sem na de akono na odi akyerew na odi abetiu odi aye bet na onya twen wi a the akano eyo no nasem enti budget we no ye kin kan de emunsem na de but under John Mahama say the powerful be na president dia anka menya gidie ni arochim but with President Mahama as the president of Ghana there
onya gidie enye yi okay koka o ha but mami mie pese me bie phone lines no kakra bi na me share tie phone so response to the budget and as be your question so edema minority leader so na odiaba I can't show say odi ekutia 555 020 another asem me and say be hu adwuma
and yes baby
me na creative arts aspect no and I was more interested no ma yake kan wo ho no may share how the implementations will be the here airline here mra any guidance no send ye be no ne sa no ma no me hu say chamber TikTok chamber president Ashanti regional minister
chamber from the man
TikTok chamber
TikTok phone so at chamber teacher president of the TikTok chambers
yes can't say
okay
say sika 7 is no maybe say renovation and then construction of no maybe or kika me who say mpanimfo ewo parliament members of parliament e2 nifo ka che ne so almost sere no no man na o kika no enye no kre but I want to see how the creative arts tourism renovation of the National Theatre reconstruction of the National Theatre in Kumasi ne sa no mane nyina no ebekoso eno ho na me se nkukọ na ayenye ne de bema school for ne sa no ane ne mefo aso homegrown bia obi ani ho a obi deny obi homegrown because ebasa na job creation and who already market ebe consuming to the rule those were things na many was super
okay I mean me ahoma na ye but mo fan che say mo betimi akoso so 0201455555 so frɛ na say onsankan ya you go so hwe say ebe too I don't know na mwatimi ene yen edi enkomonti budget ne de aba na implementation na aka because last year ni ma bibiri umu a aban no entimi anye eno na osahen say lamentations no edoso ejaadwo si etwa ejaadwo e budget mu no edoso wa ba ma ejaadwo sa e da memo ya mamo se munkobu a omuguso etwa ejaadwo enenya ade a eboa enya ade a eboa okay enya ade eboa
me bon pa se enra budget yom redi omo be twa clip no dia to ba bi pa na nyam yadma next year de omo redi omo be redi a omo di that to ho because the way finance minister esi erane na Akufo Addo ni na ban down ansa na all starting the budget no sa de menya ho problem eyemiya pa because at least wo de wa ba wo bomodin fine ye gitun but e de ania se de nyina kasa mamu wo de ye nto aso no obi etu foundation no bi so be sifa pemena siso na se wo ka tse Akufo Addo ni na ban de no me yakohwifo o ma me bobra o mba ye o ma no basa o ma se o ma ye hunu de mu di ja GhanaNsem na Akufo Addo ba ende bia ye ka se bia nyame nim de ne beto o ma wei enti na Addo ni president na spintwan ye ebesi 2016 because COVID-19 na ba no if by that time na President Mahama na the president ya me say Ghana nke nipa be wu be bro be 1 million say President Mahama na the president of Ghana ebra COVID ba ya ke nipa be wu Ghana be bro 1 million because no ya no peja nsa na bi wase European Union for say ye donor partners so mo yesika na no wo twajo enti nkwano ne time pa na COVID ba ye ena yenkotondro yanye wei adwumefo ntine fie ni ntwa moka President Mahama ka ba yire pa enti odwume bia
anka be edwe
ye ni modada ye ni modia ena na mo ye bibia be ye nwanwa pi but ye ni mu yi die mo beka ye di aso betie na ye di ani ahwe de mo beye na say chief justice so mo say de eno
ma approve no
o ma wie
ai
nti na ewi ase ya na odwene ho a onti ase gina ho a onti ase ma no tinasma no mo kenyina ne se nya se bi a chief justice bafo boni na yempese obeba be chief justice o ye ya sem ne se mo pontin so be chief justice e pene so na mom court cases bi ni nam no ho mo ma yenhwe ne ye mo nwie no ye wie na ye dware no wie na ne ho son na obeye na dwuma na asem bi eni na se anya sa ye be ndey atoni je na ase ai obetumi abeye na atoni chief justice na court na di asem no court no edi asem no na o ka se attorney general chief justice no wadi fo na asem na abono a president ni nya ho hwe die court be ka no ene de be yadwuma na ho na betina ma court akoka sa asem no
professor Nyako se o ha o triangle oba ebe train leader hwe sa argument no me nim omo a na me hu lawyers impanifo a sa argument na me nti ase hwe difference yes say omo use example say se to abawie na president no ekrofo dispute kwan fa so yi na yes sworn in na ya mana ya adwuma akusisi be determine Supreme Court be determine assembly wi okay that's fine but enye the same as the chief justice because see emrane say on the 9th of 7th on the 9th of 7th January no that's president be out to be what term of office akwawie say you swear in a new person as president, it means that there will be constitutional crisis.
Yeah.
So in that case, na see a swear ni panwa electoral commissioner can say where we see a swear in. Now you they train the outcome of the Afghanistan court. Near about the chief justice court and say no constitution say anytime BR for whatever reason the chief justice ain't mean performing the function as a chief justice as I said, the senior most judge, the Supreme Court, should take over and act.
Yeah.
So for them, there is no lacuna, space to be anywhere.
Yeah.
And the person can act. Say 10 years ago, bet me act here, cause say you may appoint a substantive chief justice. The second argument is that whenever there is a case before the Supreme Court, say a presidential petition, say and your president on the panel bench,
that's a biabaso.
Okay, maybe I'm not saying Mr. Bekana. And yet, president, and panel bench, But in the case of the chief justice, case in the name, or no, and I say, or panel judge bench, and a 7 a fan or a beneficiary.
And you better know what Miaka say.
And so decided say, main panel bench, and moment, so because. Say my panel na so man china sem so I will continue to enjoy as acting chief justice and I say bebo me din as chief justice. What do you mean fan to president ho?
And two different.
It's when a conflict of interest.
Yeah.
Wa boni timu po. Say obedi abro.
And obedi abro.
And na wodi abro.
Yeah, say benye bi.
Mama here say me nsa beka of refo na. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Media Homana 2. And you also bet me afre 0201 455 555 0201 455 Video Homana 2. Your friends and access
me that's it, but the friend and Akufo Addo say make a free.
Okay, Nana Maminti Osunya for what saying.
Nyame ado bia boko. That we dey na fa akwenye so na matia. Wa hwefo no atiefo ni mpanyifo a anopa bia o mo say o mo mbe na Ghana ho do ni MPP ho do nti o mo bet na ho na o mo kan se me hihye man no enyina man. Nafa kwenye su bio na matia mo mpanyifo especially sama unto me ene ye incoming mo ye den a kana se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia mesre emse no a budget system for senior ya tibi sebi bosha o shenipa a woka yenhwe the kwaya ebe koso be implement it ani ma wina omutimi e kan bi potre Ghana for ene ye ti ase mpo a fisika pudu a omunkoti kwambe no mo de sani ma wina da hihye ke bi firimienu ebe ko ba ko anani nsa no se ya kan to trata eti te Ghana for ebe hu a ye kan sem ama apizi aso ye kan sem ama ayeyende ni mo bobo boss nyina se e wa ye 2026 ɔyɛ emphatic ɔte 2026 yɛwɔ ha yɛhwɛ yɛde yɛn ka sɛ ɛyɛ pudu nhyɛ na yɛwɔ ha yɛhwɛ mɛsrɛ so sɛ mpanyinfoɔ a ɔmo di MPP anim no ɔmo nyɛ baako because na no hwɛ biribi wɔ parliament ɔmo nka ɔmo humom kora na ɔmo sɔre na ɔmo so nkenya ɔmo no you could see the hypocrisy in some of them you could see it's mɛsrɛ sɛ yɛyɛ united front a I think they do a trip you could see the unity, the strength in the minority. This is what we are looking out for. Not necessarily a honorable cooker, Mestro, Papa do fire to us. Yamu be 10. A maca bronya home. Nasa, you mana a costum, yinting pain. I thought that Mr. Mo or I know emotion, Munyano. Sana or Motier or Mobayano Makota. Yes, you will be a hot neighbor me at 30. That's it.
All right, Meso Medas, Papa, say, wait me after. Hey, Prof. Eji, I was here. Minimum who minority leader, answer. Minority leader, Banty.